I want to show you something that I think was the best idea since sliced bread. Good morning, guys. I want to show you something that I think was the best idea since sliced bread. At least in my opinion it is. Guys, take a look at this mesh that's up here at my door. When we moved into this apartment about 10 years ago, it didn't come with a back door. It didn't come with a screen door. It came with a back door, but it didn't come with a screen door. Like the screen door that's up here. As you can see, a screen door standing there. That was given to us about, I don't know, last month. And it didn't fit because every apartment doesn't come with a back screen door. So every summer, I wanted to open my door to let some fresh air in other than just the window. So this year, my son Corey said to me, what is it that I really wanted? And I told him if he could get this door up, it would be great. He tried, he couldn't do it. My younger son Tyler, he tried, he couldn't get that door up. So, what am I going to do? So, we're moving anyway. We're going to get a house. We're moving anyway. But, in the meantime, guys, we went to Walmart. And we found this mesh screen door. As you would see, you may have seen the advertisement for this on television, because that's where we found this at Walmart. And it's right at the cashier station where you'll find things that said, as seen on television. Well, honeys, darlings, this thing's worked so well, so well. Look at the mesh on this. I haven't had any bugs that come in, and the magnets, they work perfectly. They work so well. Let me show you how you can just open the door, open the mesh, and watch how it just comes together. Every time. Every time. Just in case you missed that, look at this. Open it up. Comes together so nicely. And it's so easy to put up. I'll show you what he did. All my son had to do, okay, there's some tacks that came with the kit. They're on the side here, and he just put those in all the way down, and he just tacked it to the frame of the door. There's a tack there. Very easy to do. Do it yourself. And I just freaking love it. And as I said, takes no time at all. And I get full air coming through. So I won't be sweating this summer. Not at all. And this door, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to find something to do with this door. I'm not quite sure what yet, but I don't know. But it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It's a nice door. It was given to me. But this apartment was not made for a screen door. Some of them are, some of them aren't. But anyway, but I just love this mesh. I love it. Very easy to install. Very easy to install. All the way down. So, $16 and some change. Go to Walmart. Get yourself one. If you don't have a screen door, you don't want to go through the bother of buying a screen door, especially if you're in an apartment, it doesn't belong to you, so why put up a screen door of having the screen door that you purchased, and when you move you can't really fit it to anything? Oh, no, 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 no. Get yourself one of these, guys. $16 and some change. Okay, that's my household tip for today, and I hope I was able to help somebody. I love it, just love it. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.